National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for Central Prairie County in central Arkansas, southern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, until 9 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This severe storm was located near England, or 17 miles south of Lonoke. Doppler radar showed this severe storm moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the path of this dangerous storm include Hazen, Sizemore, Prairie Center, Parker's Corner, McCreeder, Keogh, England, Carlisle, Barrettsville, Seaton, Screeton, Pettis, Culler, Center Point, Blakemore, Willow Beach, Wobble, Turnsville. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 177 and 197. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for Conway County in central Arkansas, extreme southwestern Stone County in north central Arkansas, Faulkner County in central Arkansas, northeastern Perry County in central Arkansas, northeastern Yell County in central Arkansas, northwestern Cleburne County in north central Arkansas, southeastern Pope Pope County in central Arkansas, Van Buren County in north central Arkansas, until 11:30 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall along a line extending from 3 miles west of Shirley to near Adona. Doppler radar indicates 1 to 2 inches of rain have fallen over parts of the warned area in the past 3 hours, with additional heavy rain expected. Flash flooding is likely to occur. While precipitation may taper off in some areas during the warning period, it will take some time for any high water to run off. Some locations that will experience flooding include Perryville, Morrilton, Heber Springs, Greers Ferry Lake, Fairfield Bay, Conway, Clinton, Wooster, Woolham, Whippley, Twin Groves, Toadsuck, St. Vincent, Spring Hill, Springfield, Solgatachia, Shirley, Sequoia Park. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.